get going. All right. So my project is about.
Your name and title.
My name is Everett Magnuson, and my project is the effects of acid rain on the germination rate of rice. And so the reason why I was doing this is because rice is a very large part of a lot of people's meal and is a source of calories for millions and billions of people around the world. And so it's very important that we know what acid rain is doing to rice, in case it's inhibiting the ability to grow rice. And so then so basically acid rain is a mix of nitric and sulfuric acids. They go up into the air and they mix with water and condensation and they fall down and form acid rain. And so when that happens, it can strip the nutrients off of leaves and plants and other organisms. And so my hypothesis is that acid rain will slow the germination rate of rice. If the higher the concentration of acid, the slower the germination rate, if it happens at all. And then so how I did this was I took a bunch of different acid solutions, petri dishes, and then I took rice, 20 seeds of rice, and put them in condensation or mixtures of 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 pH. And then I let them sit, and then I just looked for how many days it took for them to germinate. And unfortunately, I do not have my board, but if I did, you would see that on the 5 and 4 pH mixtures, less than 50% or less than 25% had germinated, and on everything else, over 75% had germinated by day 4, and then all 20 seeds in every petri dish had germinated by day 6. So basically what this means is that my hypothesis was partly correct in that it slowed the germination rate in some of the rice, but in the end it didn't really matter. It didn't really matter because they all germinated by day 6 anyways, and so then we can see from this that acid rain does not really have an impact on the germination rate of rice. And the way that scientists can do this better in the future is to use much larger quantities of rice to get more accurate readings to see what specifically acid rain does to rice. What questions do you have?